section formula. For external division now it is theorem 2. Now to find the position vector of the point which divides the line joining the two given points in the given ratio, here it is externally. Okay. Now if A and B are the position vectors of the 2 points A and B respectively, and let P be a point dividing AB externally in the ratio m is to n, then position vector of P is given by vector R is equal to m times vector B followed by negative of n times vector A upon m minus n. And here is the figure. Now A and B are the points, endpoints of the line segment, and P is a external point. Okay. Now let vector A and vector B be the position vectors of A and B respectively, refer to fixed point O, that is origin. Vector OA is represented by vector A and vector OB is represented by vector B. Now let P divides AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Therefore AP upon BP is equal to m upon n. Now A to P, this is by m, and B to P is by ratio n. Okay. So now expressing position vector OP. Now we have already mentioned in the figure position vector of OP is vector R. So expressing the position vector OP of point P in terms of those of A and B. Now we can write it as n times AP is equal to m times BP from equation 1. Now obtaining the vector equality, we get n times vector AP now is equal to m times vector BP. Okay. Now expressing the vector AP and vector BP, expressing the vector AP and vector BP in terms of position vector of the endpoints. Now, of the endpoints to NAP is equal to MVP. Now, what we can write it? We can write it n times position vector of P minus position vector of A is equal to m times position vector of P minus position vector of B. Okay. Now, position vector of OP is represented by vector R. Okay. And position vector of OA is represented by vector A and OB by vector B. So, putting the values here, what we are getting now? N times position vector of P, N times of OP minus OA is equal to m times position vector of P, that is OP, minus position vector of B, that is OB. Now, putting the representation for this one, we are having N with vector R minus vector A and m times vector R minus vector B. Now, on solving, what we are getting? On solving, we are getting m minus n vector R is equal to mb minus na. Okay, or vector R is equal to m vector B minus n vector A upon m minus n. Okay. Hence, vector R is equal to m vector B minus n vector A upon m minus n represents position vector of external division. Like this, we get